What's up with my people, man? So, as y'all can see, man, we done moved over to Trade Locker. Yeah, so this is the start of the challenge. It's your boy is now with the 50 to 1,000. Right now, I'm remarking up the zones. Y'all was seeing I was doing that on Trading View. Like I said, the one thing about Trade Locker is just like Trading View. You got the Trading View charts, but you just don't have the kill zone. Like I said, I like to use, but I want to make sure everybody can see exactly what I'm doing, so I'm doing it over here. You feel me? You see, we got like a small little delay on my end, maybe buffering and everything. We're gonna let that get itself together, but we ain't gonna let that stop what we doing. Y'all can see the balance down here. We have 54, 51. So can't say that I'm trying to cheat the system or anything like that. We're gonna do this all together. My goal is to get this to 1,000, and then we're gonna get that 1,000 and 10,000. But welcome to the channel. Welcome to the challenge. Let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna change these over to okay. Let's switch over. I apologize about the delay, man. We gonna shoot for the start. As you can see, we are in a zone of like resistance right now. And so what I want to see the market do, I want to see the market start showing me bullish motion. I want it to show me that they want to start pushing up. Let me reset this. Hopefully that'll give me a start. Stop playing. Let's see. What's the line size they're gonna let me do? I'm gonna do we're gonna start it off tomorrow. We're gonna start off with a 10 light size. So once I start seeing bullish motion going back into this area, then I'm gonna jump into the trade. And other than that, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and see what the market want to do. I'm not gonna just take some just because it gotta make sense. Remember, if it don't do what we wanted to do, we're not taking it. So how y'all doing today, man? Smoke every morning, man. I hope they don't bother to do that jump on. As you can see, we are below right now. What I want to see is bullish motion. What I'm looking for is for the market to come back up. I'm looking for the market not to continue down. I'm looking for the market to continue up. I'm looking for the market to pay off of here. So, we're going to do a little down motion. And then we want that boy to come right back up to here. That's what I want. It still can go down. We are getting back to a point of resistance. My bad. When I turn on Trade Locker, it moves a little bit slower. So I hope that this delay don't throw off everybody. We get into another point of resistance. You see, we breaking these lows right here. So if we was to go up, I'm only taking it to about probably about right here. Probably around this area. We want to see exactly what's going on. We're going to turn back onto the regular candles. We can see exactly what the market's doing. So we know the market just opened. So the market is pushing down right now. much I would have got in on this 815 candle. So ride this area down. We're not gonna take a trade if the trade don't fit what we doing. Remember that. We're not gonna take a trade if the trade don't fit what we doing. So if I was drawing a fair value gap, where would a fair value gap be in this? It'd be starting up here. So we just filled this gap. Just feel this gap. Let's see, go back on the hour. No, we going inside of a gap now. Let's see what the market has done over here. Fire. While we get down here, so we can see that the market pushes here. The market push here on the hour. So we get into an hour support. Market push there. It's also a push here. It's not gonna be a strong zone, but we can see where the market may be heading to. So this area here may be about here, because this is where the market came back up to bounce off of. So it could be about here. I hope I ain't losing people. Y'all can see what I do is y'all can see the market came below here, right? But it shot back up above it. So that means this area is now void to me, but it's not. But y'all see it's set back right here to push up. So it let me know the pressure really sits here. So I'm picking positions or areas like that to keep an eye on. So I wanna see it. I wanna make sure that it wants to go up. That's what I want to see. We got these long pushes right here on the hour. We have long pushes. So the day might be bearish. Let's look at the daily chart. The daily candle, my bad. The daily candle. And we could be going back down into this area on the daily chart, which is really a gap in the market. So let me see. I'll draw a gap. Really a gap in the market right here on the daily chart. And this one up here too. Let's mark out the one up there. So we can. It looks like what would the market want to do? Let me see if I can find some more on the hour, 4 hour, and whatnot. The hour chart. We got a lot of momentum pushing down up here. Probably like right here. But that's all I feel. So it might just want to go down. Come back into this area right here. But we just gonna watch. Watch right now. We let the market want to push down. I'm not gonna jump into the market as it's pushing down. So like we know that the day is bearish, so we know it's going down. So we're gonna look for sales, but we're not gonna do it inside of a sale. So knowing that we pushing through here, what I'm gonna bet is that it'll come back up to here. and it'll go down. So I'm gonna save on this. I'm gonna let this finish its motion. We got news about to come up in a minute. We're not taking a trade if it ain't worth it. Remember that. If it ain't worth it, we're not taking it. We do got a lot of buying power in this too. So up here we got a lot of green. So this could be consolidation in this area, and it could want to go back up, but we gotta see. We gotta see. You see, it can get down here and then go back up. It can stop around here and then go back up. It can stop here. It can start going back up, but this is a zone right here that it might want to refill. It might want to come back down here to refill. But if I see it come back up and resist out these zones and start pushing its way back down, then I will get into a sell. But other than that, I'm not going to jump into a sell if I don't see that. If I don't see this boy push back up or basically show me signs of a sell. Like this showing me signs right here. But at the same token, I don't want to just jump into a trade like that. Like we too close to the bottom. We already outside of premium. I mean discount. We going into like premium for like sales. So that wouldn't be a safe bet to like jump in. I'm not saying that this is a bad trade setup, but it wouldn't be the best trade for me to jump in right now. Just knowing that it's already moving down. So I know it wants to go down. I have to look for an entry point. So where will my entry point be at? So knowing that it has to retrace, gather up everybody, then before it continues the way it want to go, I will have to wait. So I have to wait on that to set itself up. So we got let's see what CAD, let's see what USD. Burn my eye. They doing the same thing. All right, so look, clear chart. What would I be looking for? You see this resistance zone? So we know it pushes this heavy pressure right here. Look at this wick. I mean, look at this candle and look at this candle. These two green candles. So we see that buyer power for push up. Boom. All right, we've been selling. So I'm looking for pressure in the market so I can look for entries. Same thing if I'm going downwards. Where's a heavy motion going down? So I like to look for a heavy moment. Boom. And if you look at that line and go across, you can see that it's used as a resistance. But look at the big candle that fell off of it. So we know that's some pressure right there. I like to go right where the pressure at because I know it's going to surpass or go back to there. I just, you know it. You kind of get a feel for it after a minute. Let's go back. See where we headed. We headed back down here. Well, we got a lot of pressure to buy, like right here. More pressure. Let's see. See if I can find a gap over here, which I know it should be. It's gonna be here to here. We got a wick on top of this one and this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top of this all the way over here. When I told you, it's always the full body. We're going to go back down to 15 minutes. We're going to look at the market and how it's reacting in this area. Because it might want to come back up to here just to work its way out. It probably just want to go back up to there. Let's see what they're doing over here. Let's see, it's sitting on top of that zone. Let's see what we're going on. I need to see, start seeing bearish structure. Bullish structure being built. I said that it might be a minute unless I start seeing bullish motion or bullish structure. I know it wants to go back down, continue down. It's gonna touch that area. It's gonna touch it for sure, for sure. It's gonna touch it. Gonna be right here. I think this one will be coming those opinions. I'm gonna change the color of this. This was this spot right here. No, I'm making it white because I'm seeing this is like heavy pressure area, falling and resistance. So I feel like this is gonna become a future heavy spot in the market where I feel like we're gonna be able to make a large return. So I was to do a long from here to here. That'll be a good one-on-one. So if I see the market push up to here, I'll go one-on-one for that. I like to put the long and the short Up there. Reason being, if I can see the trade, I can see what I want to be done, so then I can see how I want to enter into it. So we know we get into another, we get into our hour support. Well, not our support, but our hours resistance zone. We want to let that play out, see how this goes. I could have been on the highs or anything else, but wanted to take it, not slow, but I want to watch for the market to do something. We getting back into heavy buying areas, so we're gonna see how the buyers support these sellers coming into their area right now, which we in like discount 4 or 5 right now. We are. I'm excited about it. I think it's gonna be dope. See what this gonna do. We're gonna pick a pair. We're gonna stick with it. Someone told me about gas. I want to try it out. They say it's an easy pair to trade on, but I ain't never really trade on gas. So we just gonna see. Let me see. I'll bag it up like a 15 minutes. Let's see. So this is what I mean. Like, you see how the market, you can see where it pushes off of. I like to go to the body of the candle. So this is a heavy area right here, and this right here. So I like to go to more recent. So I can see it just falls off of here. I'm gonna go here. Like that. It just fell heavily from here. Heavy from here. So that's recent. See where that's prior. So this came to go for the retest and fill again. So we know it's going down here. I mean, yeah, it really does support its zones. That's what I was told. It supported zones like heavy. Like it's most definitely like good. But I mean, I don't know. I never traded gas before. So I really don't know. Let's see, we got a lot of buying power now. Let me see how we look on the hour. Kind of the same. Gas been going down. Let's see what we did. We got a lot of bottom power in this area. I know I'm just putting lines on right now, but to everybody, but I'm really not. I'm looking for like major areas. Yeah, this can be considered a major area, but I'll probably say it there. Or it's more body fat, more structure failure. So I want to go up all of that. I might see something there, but you did say gas be going. Gas has been going up. Okay, what I want to see is gas come back right here. Or let's see, let's look at the bids. And I know I see it yesterday. I really don't feel it. Okay. We're cutting off the goals. Let's see what it is. That doji. See, it's kind of like the same thing that happened yesterday. This doji show reversal, but you don't know when. You see what I'm saying? That way it might go now. But what if it want to go down here since you like it did yesterday, right? So what if this was like a retest? So like psychologically just thinking, right? What if it's just like a repeat of yesterday and it's showing, right? So we got the doji right here, the little cross. You know that boy want to do something. They want to go down. Look at all this selling power right here. Let's see. And this is why you want to have your charts preset. Right? I'm coming on here and marking up charts so y'all can see. Probably just, I'm telling you, I want to start coming on at 9:30, like when the market opens or around that time. But you do want to have the market set up beforehand so you can watch it occur. It's a lot of pressure that pushed this right there. Let's see. We don't have to take a trade with it, just so everybody knows. See what we see. You know, like that, work this way out. I'm about to go back to UJ to see what he's doing. Okay. So we starting to see a little bullish motion inside UJ. Let's strengthen this zone here. But you ain't mad, man. Let's see what we want to do. We want to close below or want to close above? What do you want to do? This position right here could be considered an entry though, because it'll be at the baseline of right here. So now it's starting to make a gap in the market. So like a 5-minute gap is starting to be printed here in the market. So let's see. If that one close above, it close above this area here, I'm gonna go in for a quick bar up to here. I feel like it's gonna work its way up to push up there. But I want it to close above. I want it to show me like buying momentum pushing up. I think I got 1 more minute on this candle. So you know what you want to see. So because we know what we want to see, we ain't trying to look for that now. That's really just all it is. You gotta know what you want to see. And this might be making a wick right here. As you can tell, like we got two already formed right here. You see, like each one is closing below this. And it ain't closing right on, closing below. It rose up, so when it surpassed this, might just be headed with it closed below it. Yeah, first up. See what this is. We watching. I don't smoke cigarettes. So they're not. Let's see. So you know we waiting on. Be patient. It's not giving me the indication of, you know what I'm saying? Like bullish motion is still just, and now it's kind of still dirty gag, like it want to go down. But, you know, we inside of this fair value you got right now at an hour. So we're gonna see, we gotta see how that play out. Now we would have got up here at like 7, at 8:15 candle. When this gap was made, like perfect. Perfect. Like the making of this gap right here was perfect. So we know the market don't want to make its way back up to here. We'll see how much pressure, like it was consolidating up there regardless. So I want to come back into this area. I see heavy area here. Then probably like right here. I feel like right here. Okay. You will see it's sitting on top of this fair value gap though. What this one do? We got 3 more minutes into this candle. Let's see what it want to do. I told you, like, if this start closing above here, I'm going in for the bar. If you want to see it on a wider screen, we can. 15. See you rejecting that sound. Rejecting the hour. So the trend is bullish for UJ. I want us to remember that we are in a bullish trend. And I want you to see something now. This is what I call signs of reversal. We got lower highs, right? We started making lower lows, right? So this is a clear trend right here. Lower high, we got another lower low, right? Lower high, another lower low. Another lower low, but we got a higher low, right? Then we get another higher high, but another lower low, right? So that starts showing us like what reversals in the market. That's why right here it went up higher. Higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low. You see what I'm saying? We started working our way back down, back into this area right here, where we got it's not an equal low, it didn't surpass this low. So it came back up, but it's not a higher high. So it's not breaking new highs. It's not breaking it broke this old high, but not this one. Even at this peak, this one came back and it was down there equal with it, right? But it didn't break, but it fell. So we know it want to go down, but we know it want to go up too. Because why? It's a lot of buyers in this area down here. That's probably why it's resisting off of this hour right here. Because as you see, as it worked its way down, it struggled to just continue down. I just broke down right here. But that don't mean that it only want to go straight down. Now, this can want to push straight down. This can want to push straight down. I ain't about to be going through each one. I gotta see something in each one. A lot of bullets in here. Here. Is it up here? I'll take it here. I'll do it on that. Look at that gas right quick. I like to do that. feel like it's about to come down. I want to take it to about here. But it obviously didn't want to go back lower than that. You might just do the same thing it did right here. I'm about to go around for the sales and Be patient. We in a position. Yeah, guys go like this volatile is vision. So guys can eat. I probably should have went lower. We can see how this goes. Mm-hmm. Now my stop loss like under here, like around here. We ain't trying to lose too much. Watch now. Really. We got a sell trade in, so we looking for it to go down and looking for it to go up. So it's bouncing off this zone right here. 1, 2, 4. Let's see it. One thing about this is moving on like blocks. Come on. Come on. That took me down there. Listen, man, quick, then 54 to 39, that boy went fast. Down, but they take you back -30 though. That's like good. I ain't know that. Yeah, I ain't know that they was gonna take us down like that. I want to keep trading gas, man. They doing this like that. It's like they already take. So like you always gonna start behind. But you want to manage like how much you start behind. You don't want to just start behind. If you get what I mean. Like so, them already at 30, it's crazy. Crazy. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That's crazy. So I'm hoping this trade go out. If it start looking like it's going the opposite way, I'm gonna stop it. That's why I'm gonna keep it open. That's why I'm like, that's crazy. That's crazy. I ain't never did a trade like that. Where that boy went down 30. Hey, nah. Third? 30 crazy. One second, y'all. My bad. I can tell y'all this. I won't do gas again. That wouldn't already took too much of the other money. We ain't even got started yet. First trade, we already down some. Crazy. Let's see what it's looking like it's going to. Let's see what this. Let's see, we got a lot of push in the market right now. Yeah, that's crazy. But take heed to that, man. See, y'all gotta know the difference of the market. So, like I said, this was my first time trading on gas. I'm not mad about it or anything like that, but I'm most definitely gonna keep an eye on this. Most definitely. Yeah, closing out some of the positions. So this might be a dead on trade. Yeah, that boy bouncing off of here. I'm gonna close this out, y'all. You know, Compton's that's a loss for the time. But let me see. We did go through this fair value gap right here. And it did break down below this market, so it might want to still go up. We're gonna keep our eye on this. Keep a close eye on it. Yeah, we taking this out. They didn't kill this, y'all. They didn't kill this. So I'm gonna leave this up here. We're gonna put another 50. We're gonna do another 50 tomorrow, man. But we are not trading gas. We are not trading gas. Gas is done. Gas is done. So anybody that watched this, just know that like gas just blew us out the water. So what we know now, this might go into the right direction. So I'm gonna leave this up. But the thing about it is gas takes more than, it's not a good pair to trade on with a small account. All right. So I'm not upset about it. But that did just blow us on this. Did it. I thought we lost less than that, but did it. Ooh, let me see. I'm gonna go back to majors. Yeah, we ain't even gonna. We are no longer going on gas until we get up more. All right, we no longer going on gas. So what I'm gonna do is, look like they want to fill this gap up. So I'm gonna put a leg in on this to continue down into it. See if we can recuperate something. It's like they didn't got it. But hey, it's a part of the game, part of the whole process of it, man. You gotta know what you're doing. Like I said, that I didn't know anything about gas at the time. I never traded gas, so I didn't know that the tax value was gonna go up like that. I didn't know that we was gonna go $30-something in the hole first. That blew my mind. But am I upset about it? No, not at all. That's a learning lesson inside the market. You gotta be willing to lose something. I put the $50 on there because I said I was willing to lose it. Outside of that, yeah, I said I was gonna put another one on. So we're gonna be back to it tomorrow. Different. We're not going gas. We're gonna stick to the process, which I said we was gonna do. We're gonna stick to the index minis and the FOREX majors. Those are gonna be ours. We are. Wow. But anybody who ever appreciate anybody who see this, thank y'all, and so we'll be back on to it tomorrow.